In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam friend code. A Steam friend code is a simple, unique number that lets you add friends quickly without searching for usernames. It's the most reliable way to connect, especially if there are lots of similar profile names. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find your code and how to use someone else's code to send a friend invite. Start on your Steam home screen. Open the Steam desktop app and make sure you're on the main window you see after logging in. This is your hub for everything in your library and community. You don't need to dig through settings or profile pages. We'll get to the code in just a couple of clicks. Look toward the top left of the Steam window for the menu labeled Friends. It sits along the main menu bar. Click Friends to open the drop-down menu. This is where Steam keeps all of your social options, from viewing your friends list to managing chats and invites. From that drop-down, click Add a Friend. This takes you to a dedicated page for growing your friends list. Think of it as your connection hub. Everything about inviting and being invited lives here. On this page, you'll see your own friend code displayed clearly. That number is your unique identifier on Steam. If you want someone to add you, just share that code with them. To avoid typos, use the copy option you'll usually see next to it so you can paste it into a message or chat. If a friend says they can't find you by name, sending this code is the fastest fix. Right below your own code, you'll find a field where you can enter someone else's friend code. Paste or type the code they gave you, then proceed to send the invite. Make sure you've entered every digit correctly. One wrong number can point to a completely different account or return no results at all. Once the invite is sent, your friend will see a notification and can accept it, after which you'll both appear in each other's friends lists. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. Make sure you're using Steam's standard desktop window rather than big picture mode, since the menus look different there. Also, if a friend still can't add you, check that neither of you has blocked the other in the past, and that your profile isn't restricted from adding friends. That's it. Your friend code is visible on the Add a Friend page, and the entry box below is where you use someone else's code to connect. Share your code, send your invites, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your Steam friends list.